Here's real life. We're getting there, but in the meanwhile, I just gotta ask, what was the crew thinking when they used my family room floor as their cutting surface? Now there are 3 deep cuts marking my floor clear across the room. Here we can see that the fireplace now has a gap when all the jackhammering was done to take down the walls. I guess that comes with the territory, but that's gonna need repairing too now. And speaking of repair work, we discovered that there was water damage of the wood framing underneath the steps at the entryway. So they fixed it, replacing some of the slate with a kind of similar looking tile. But if I wiped off all the dust, it'll be noticeably different. But not sure why they secured some loose tiles by reinstalling them unevenly with a raised edge. That's definitely going to be a tripping hazard, just waiting to be stubbed in the middle of the night. You see under that left door how the light shines through more? Well, that's because the tile, when it was put down a little too low, so the water pools down there when it rains. That's going to need some fixing. So this is an easier fix, but the contractor did not use good primer when he painted, so the paint never bonded to the wood well. You can see how easily the whole layer just peels off as a result. With the slightest scuff or bump, it gets scratched off and just peels off easily. But they said that they're going to get that fixed. We're finally getting the LVP floors put down, and it's coming along nicely. You can see here that the tile of the floors and the shower have been put down, and it's looking good. And I have my little helper to check it all out as well. So the original counter, cabinets, and sink fit right back into where the original kitchenette was. I'm glad it fit. And now we just need to get the light put in and it'll be all set. I hope the things that I've gone through, the things I've learned, the ups and downs has been some inspiration and help for you. If it has, please leave a comment in the description box and like and subscribe. Thank you so much. Take care.